This is the easiest way to produce production ready APIs in seconds, just from your idea, simple description into a fully built backend. So let's go and start this. So you create an account. Let's say my name is like Felix. Then go Felix. Then we sign up for an account. After an account, we are given free plan, which is like five full built backends. Then after that, you get to pay to access more features like API testing and hosting them, which will be adding very soon. So let's test our application. Let's call it like I'm a musician, so music. Then say music backend to store and fetch my music to store show my music because I don't know much about coding. Let's say you don't know, then now you can choose Express, whatever you want from these frameworks. Let's choose Express. You can choose any database so that you want your backend to have MongoDB, Postgres, MySQL, SQLite, whatever. Then you say generate backend. And then we give it a few microseconds to generate our backend and see the progress. This is the way to build our future application. So it's about testing and evolving with the applications. The more you test it, give us feedback, the more we bring a better product for you. So it has finished generation. These are the more main files for the server file, main file. Then we have other files like the package.json, and then the readme how to use whatever has been generated on the .env file. So you can save the project, which will be saving later. Then you can download the zip as a project as zip, then open on your laptop and do the rest. Also deploying the API, which will be adding very soon for the pro plan here. Thank you. This is the simplest way. Trust us, give us time, and we deliver. Yeah.